when you follow or work with conventional investing or entrepreneur consultants and coaches, they give you best-in-class strategies, hopefully. However, they don't take into account the unique you. And this is a tragedy, and it's the reason that these coaches and consultants and business and investing gurus only have a few star performers. You see, we're all different. We all have different strengths and weaknesses within our personality structure. We all have complete different belief systems. And some of those belief systems are supportive of high-level wealth creation or damaging to high-level wealth creation. Now, if you are past the illusion that you just need more intellectual strategic knowledge and you're interested in evolving and upgrading yourself as an entrepreneur or investor, and you're willing to take a deep dive into your own personal psyche to identify belief systems and behavioral patterns that are limiting or slowing down your ability to joining the highest level earners, you're going to really love this channel. Now, I've worked with over 7,000 business owners, entrepreneurs, and investors, and I have profiled every one of them, meaning that I have a deep understanding of how their psyche works and what it is within them that has contributed to their success or their mediocrity or their failure. This information is invaluable for wealth creators. Not enough people speak about this highly important subject with any depth. So if you want to take a deep dive into your own personal psyche, you want to upgrade and evolve yourself as an entrepreneur, an investor, so that you end up with way more profit, way more free time, and the ability to follow your passions and purpose, then you're going to love this channel. Subscribe, check out some of our freebies and goodies that will help you understand how to develop self-mastery as an entrepreneur or investor. See ya.